2000 Chevy Camaro, and radio won't turn on or off. So it's easy fix. That's a power button. It doesn't work. So it's one click. Usually it's click. So what's my problem is this button is stuck. If I pull it out like this and put it back on, now it's working fine. So it's now it's clicking on, off, so it's normal, like it's supposed to work. So the problem is, if I hit this power button so many times and went deep inside and stopped working. Okay, now see, it doesn't work again. So if somebody pressed too hard and the button stopped working, the power button stopped working. So what you need, pull this guy back, take it off, and gently put it back. And do not press too hard, because you're gonna end up with the same problem. Now it's working. Easy fix. Thank you.